you got going here? Hey, pause for a second. What's the goal here? What are we trying to accomplish?
I'm trying to get my heart rate up.
Trying to sweat?
Trying to sweat, burn some calories.
How are your knees feeling?
It kind of hurts my knees a little.
Hurts your knees? How about that rounded back? What was that feeling like?
And
why are you using the handles here? All right, come over here. Let me show you
that wasn't
different.
right?
No, let me show you a different piece of cardio that's going to be a little bit better for you, easier on your joints. It's called a mini trampoline. Now we got a mini trampoline without a handle, but I'm going to start you out on a handle. And so, no, what I want you to do here is get under control with a nice easy jog. And the cool part about a mini trampoline is that you're under control. It's easy on your joints. It's working your lymphatic system. And look at your posture right away. Now, obviously, you can be bent over way better. Now, when I see people on the treadmill just banging their feet, hurting their knees, I love the treadmill. But the key is sometimes that treadmill is too challenging and the form gets out of alignment. Now, one thing you can do on this that you can't do on a treadmill is single foot. So working those proprioceptors, working each foot separately, seeing where do you have balance issues. You notice one side's better than the other.
Yeah, this is challenging.
So your heart rate's up. It's
Yep.
easier on your joints. What I found with most people, first step, we want to get them active. But once they're active, how can we perfect the ordinary? This amazing tool. Now, let me really work your cardio. Let's get you in a more of a athletic posture, and we're going to rotate doing a little skier, like you're doing a little moguls. Now, really rotate. Core. There we go. Now, how's your heart rate feeling?
It's getting up there.
So again, this is an amazing tool. Treadmill's fantastic. I see a lot of bad form on the treadmill. The mini trampoline is fantastic for his joints. It's good for his cardiovascular system. And by the way, it's working your lymphatic system.
Yeah, I'm getting tired here.
And it's very challenging. And so one of the things I like to do is I like to do intervals. I go fast. I go a little recovery. Repeat that maybe 8 to 15 minutes. Now here's the thing. Number one, we got to get up and move. That's the first step. Once you're up and moving, how do you perfect the ordinary? Mini trampoline is a great tool. Good work.
I'm tired.